YouTube. So this is episode 2 in my Girl Boss series. I am in no way a professional at what I do, but in my own head I think I am. Basically, I've been running my mobile boutique for almost 7 years. In October of this year it'll be 7 years, and I created this small series to kind of show you guys the steps it took for me to get where I am today. And it started with picture boards and my imagination, and it all led to me doing more research and figuring out how I could make my dream of owning my own boutique come true. I've always known I wanted my own shop, but I've also always known how expensive and costly overhead can be. So when I was like in college, even before college, high school, I was obsessed with Tumblr. I really loved Tumblr, and when I was digging deep in there, because you know you can get lost in Tumblr, guys, I saw some girls from the Midwest. They had got a trailer, painted the outside, left the inside the same, and just created it to be like their fitting room. They added racks in front of it, and they made their own pop-up shop. I thought that was so cool and so legit and just like so nostalgic that I was like, oh my god, this is like getting away with murder. This is like literally, you are creating a business without having to go through the struggles of paying for overhead. And that's how I knew for me that it was factual. I was gonna find a trailer and I was gonna gut it all out, and I was gonna create a small space in there for a fitting room, and the rest would be real estate for all of my merchandise. So that's how I came across coming up with that idea. Now, to me, trucks always had more liabilities. Just with it having an engine, it can break down just as much as a car. And with the trailer, you are literally hitching it onto your car and just trailing it, kind of thing. I really did write down the pros and the cons of trucks versus trailers when I was doing this, and I originally wanted my idea to be out of an ice cream truck, but the costliness over time in repairing her and making and just keeping up with her, it was going to be too much. I would have rather invested in having a brick and mortar store. So what I did was I picked the trailer because there are no engines. All you have to do is deal with the electrical kind of thing. The worst that can happen is your electrical can blow. That's never happened in my 7 years of business, though, thankfully. Just this past year, I've had to put in a couple of $1,000s into my trailer, but that's basically me putting no money into her for the past 7 years. So compared to truck cost, if I was to have a truck, yeah, I highly would recommend to a lot of people is find yourself a good trailer and sticking with that, because even everything I've seen and heard of other people that have trucks right now, a lot of them, things happen. They can blow up, engines can go down, tires can pop. I mean, the same thing with my trailer. A tire can pop. I have been blessed and very lucky that none of that stuff has happened to me. So that is why I decided trailer was the right decision for me, because definitely the ongoing cost of keeping up with the truck was just way too over the top for me, and I wanted to continue my business for many years to come. And obviously it's been 7 years, so I think I've proven my point that it's good to get a trailer. Believe it or not, I found my trailer on Craigslist. It didn't just happen like that, okay guys? It took 3 months of constant searching, constant activity on Craigslist, on every kind of ad search, just looking and searching for the perfect trailer, and that even means seeing them. So after 3 months, my mom came across an ad for a trailer in San Diego, California. So she told me she was going for it. So I was at work, so I couldn't leave. So she and my dad took off and they drove to San Diego, California, and that's where they checked the trailer, and she was in pretty damn good condition, and that's when they decided to buy her. So $300 later, I was the owner of a 1963 vintage Ideal trailer, and I'm very happy that I found her. Tip time, it's tip time. When looking for a trailer, always check for rust and water damage. These are the 2 departments that are most vital in making sure your cost for restoring your trailer is not high. These 2 things are what blast up the price because of how much more effort comes into restoring the trailers. The best thing about having a trailer storefront, trailer mobile storefront, is definitely just going into my different cities and knowing I have so many different people I know in them and friends, and it's all because of my little establishment that I created to be mobilized. I love that I'm not stuck in one spot. I can go wherever I want. And also, I love seeing the looks in people's faces, no matter who they are, what age they are. They all love the trailer and how they can just walk in it and they can be part of it, I guess you can say. It's the nostalgia of it all that I feel like so many people just fall in love with her, and they remember me and they remember her. And that's why I love doing what I do, because everyone's like, hey, you're the girl with the little trailer. And I'm like, hey, yeah, I am. Thank you all for watching episode 2 of my Girl Boss series. If you really like this or have any questions or comments, please drop something below. Let me know what's up. I love to talk to you guys. Also, subscribe to my channel so you guys can get all the new videos that are gonna come your way. And if you're from the Southern California area, or I don't know, just visiting Disneyland, come visit us. We're right down the street from Disneyland, and we are the happiest thrift boutique on earth. So stop by, come say hi, and you guys enjoy the rest of the week. Please keep watching for more videos, and thanks for even paying attention to me, guys. Bye, guys.